Hello guys, this is Amy from Hebei Metal Technology Limited Company. Our company also referred to as Fence. It was located at the Wehrmacht town Anping County, Hebei Province. It has a long history, around 13 years. So we have many professional suggestions for all kinds of the Wehrmacht fence products. And our company always provide research, peruse, and resell all kinds of the Wehrmacht fence products, such as the triangle bending fence, the high security fence, the tubular fence, challenge fence, gate-beam product, and front fence product, and so on.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.